Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see about the add digits. Given an integer, repeatedly add all its digits until the result has only one digit and return it. So the idea is simple. Let's see the example one. Number equal to 38. So we have to sum the 3 plus 8. So 3 plus 8 is what? 11. And let's check the 11 is a two-digit number. We want a one-digit number. So again we sum the 11. So 1 plus 1 becomes 2. So it is a one-digit number, right? This is what mean by the add digits. Let's create the loop num greater than 9 and we initialize the sum here and create another inner loop and check the num greater than 0 int rem. We simply call another name last digit equal to num modulo 10. Anything that modulo 10 is simply to get the last digit of a number. So what is the last digit of this num? 8, right? So it goes to 8 and we simply sum the last digit here and we have to remove the last digit from the original num. So we simply divided by 10 to remove the last digit and we simply return the num. Test cases are passed. So let's try run this. Let's take the example one here. Paste it on. Yeah. Let's check the num greater than 9. Yeah, it's greater than 9. So it goes to inner loop. And num greater than 0. Yeah, it's greater than 0. And it gets the last digit here. The last digit of 38 is what? 8, right? So the sum basically 0 initially. So 0 plus 8 means 8, right? And we have to remove the last digit from the original num. So, and the original num becomes 3. And again, 3 greater than 0, right? So again, it goes to the last digit and last digit becomes what? 3. The only number is here. The only one number is available. So the num modulo 10 becomes 3 here and it goes to the already in sum we have 8, right? So the 3 plus 8 is what? 11 and the we have to remove the num. So now we are checking num greater than 0, no, and it breaks the loop and becomes again it checks num greater than 9. New value, now the new num is what? 11. So 11 greater than 9, right? So again it goes to inner loop and it's the same thing here. Eventually we get the output 2. So I hope you all understand this concept. Let's submit it. So it beats 95% of other solutions. It's great. And we have another approach, mathematical approach. Num equal to 0, we simply return the num. Otherwise, in this return 1 plus num minus 1 modulo 9. This is a mathematical formula for this sum of the digits until single digit. And it beats the test cases. So I hope you all understand this concept. Let's see in another video. Thank you.